do humans love violence? Think about it. You stayed up at 2 in the morning watching a true crime documentary you didn't even mean to start. You've seen millions of people pay just to watch two humans hit each other inside a cage. UFC, boxing, football, action movies with body counts that look like small-scale wars. We don't look away. We lean in. So the real question is, why? Why are we drawn to this? Are we secretly violent? Are we broken? Or is there something much older in the human brain, something ancient, that makes violence not just fascinating, but almost necessary?